Aperol Spritz is the perfect aperitif. Bright orange with a unique taste. So when they asked us to create a campaign for them, we decided to put Aperol Spritz in the centre of Ibiza's way of life, driving brand fame towards European consumers and building loyalty. Why Ibiza? Well, this is one of the most acclaimed holiday spots in the world. Renowned for its nightlife, its clubs and natural landscapes, Ibiza's sunsets have something magical and unique. The perfect moment for Aperol Spritz. Our strategy, joining our visitors in their journey through the island. Introducing the Aperol Spritz fleet. The airport became not only the gateway to Ibiza, but also to our famous aperitif, as we welcomed all passengers with goodies at our fully branded stand and gave them their first selfie through our tailored app. We designed a map with the list of all the Aperol venues, a calendar of our parties and contests information. And we even had 4 branded vans driving some lucky consumers to our events. In selected venues, we organised products trials, increasing awareness and consumer engagement toward a valuable international audience. We launched a photo contest on Instagram with awesome prizes, including VIP experiences and introducing the hashtag #LoveEveryday. Our results? Well, let's take a look. Number of people we have interacted with, 7,500. Sellout, 150% more versus the previous year. 50% of the people present in the activations tasted Aperol Spritz. Number of guests at the Aperol Spritz VIP table, 600. Total kilometers done during the summer, 25,000. Number of VIP and lucky guests that had a ride in one of our vans, 700. Number of people that saw a van in the streets, 500,000. Number of pics, Polaroids, taken with our app, iForBrands, 1,450. Emails taken, 1,450. Maps given, 35,000. Number of people we have interacted with, 45,000. Number of people that saw the stand during the whole summer, 750,000. In short, a successful campaign, tons of ideas for next year, and, the most important of all, an unforgettable journey with Aperol.